Welcome to my deep dive into Pionex, one of the leading crypto trading bots on the market. If you're looking for an automated trading platform that integrates with multiple strategies, this review will cover everything you need to know before deciding if it's the right tool for you. Starting with the basics, Pionex is a cryptocurrency exchange that stands out because of its built-in trading bots. Unlike traditional exchanges where you manually place trades, Pionex offers 16 free automated bots, allowing users to execute strategies without constant monitoring. This makes it an attractive choice for traders who want to take advantage of market fluctuations 24/7. Upon landing on the Pionex website, you're greeted with a modern, clean interface that provides a quick overview of the platform's key features. The homepage highlights its AI-powered trading bots, including the Grid Trading Bot, Spot Futures Arbitrage Bot, and Smart Trade Terminal. The website also promotes low trading fees, claiming to offer some of the lowest rates in the industry. Navigating to the trading section, you'll find the dashboard well organized, with a range of customization options. One of the standout features is the Grid Trading Bot, which automatically buys low and sells high within a predefined price range. This is particularly useful in volatile markets, where price swings create frequent trading opportunities. Setting up the Grid Trading Bot is straightforward. You choose a trading pair, set the price range, and select the number of grids. The system then calculates optimal parameters or allows you to manually adjust them. Another popular tool is the Spot Futures Arbitrage Bot, designed to generate passive income with low risk. This bot takes advantage of the price difference between spot and futures markets, earning profits from funding fees. For those new to arbitrage, Pionex provides an easy-to-understand setup process, making it accessible even for beginners. Many useful links can be found in the description. Do this after looking video. Security is always a concern when using a crypto trading platform, and Pionex takes several steps to ensure user safety. The exchange aggregates liquidity from Binance and Huobi, offering deep liquidity for seamless trades. Additionally, it holds a money services business (MSB) license in the United States, adding credibility to its regulatory compliance. However, like all exchanges, it is advisable to enable two-factor authentication (2FA) and use withdrawal whitelist features for extra security. The trading experience on Pionex is smooth, and the mobile app extends the functionality of the web platform. With real-time price tracking, customizable trading alerts, and full access to bots, the app provides a seamless experience for traders on the go. Whether using iOS or Android, the performance remains stable, with minimal lag. When it comes to fees, Pionex is highly competitive. It charges a flat 0.05% trading fee for both makers and takers, significantly lower than many other exchanges that rely on external bots. Since Pionex integrates bots directly into its exchange, there are no additional subscription costs, unlike third-party trading bots that require monthly fees. For customer support, Pionex provides a knowledge base, live chat, and email support. The response time varies, but in general, users report that the support team is responsive and helpful. There is also a Telegram community where traders share their experiences and discuss bot strategies. Overall, Pionex offers a powerful suite of trading bots, low fees, and a user-friendly interface, making it an excellent option for both beginners and experienced traders. While it does have limitations, such as the lack of fiat deposits and withdrawals, its automated trading capabilities and low-cost structure make it a strong choice for crypto traders looking to automate their strategies. If you found this review helpful, be sure to like the video and subscribe for more in-depth crypto trading content.